Top play in the community today was RIVN. So RIVN, which has been on a downward slope for a while, it did run up a lot after the last earnings. At $11 it went to $16. The earnings were decent. They did miss EPS, but they did beat the revenue, so the revenue is increasing, so that's good. So anyways, the point was that we had this news on RIVN, and in the pre-market RIVN was trading over the 1 hour MTF clouds. Plan we made: holding 1 hour MTF, bullish bias over 13, no go under 13. It was also our MTF cloud setup. Whenever there's MTF clouds with the catalyst, it's always an A plus setup. This was MTF 1, 2025 MTF, 21 MTF, 55 MTF, 1 hour MTF. So it was trading already over the 1 hour MTF, so that tells me 1 hour is bullish. It's breaking the flag over the 20 MTF and 50 MTF. So as soon as the market opened, I told the trader it's a 512 long versus 1330. I gave the stop of 1330, and then it was making a flag here at 1360. We broke the flag at 1360. I gave the 14 target. Soon enough we hit 14. Told the traders to take half off there, and RIVN continued to run there. It created another flag. I told the traders to roll further, maybe buy 14 calls. So then we saw this gap. This is called a gap on the daily chart. Gap is created when overnight a stock drops or gains, and gap is left on the daily chart. Whenever we push into the gap, we do try to fill the gap. This was the RIVN gap. I tweeted, we are in the daily gap. So we're pushing in the daily gap, and we filled the gap pretty soon. I told the traders the target on the gap fill will be 1450, and we filled the gap to 1450 here. You can cut, but as long as Ripster 512 clouds hold, you have no reason to completely exit the position. You hit 14, you buy 15 lottos. You spend $500 to buy 15 lottos, and once you hit 15, you throw some more into 1550 lottos. So you keep using your profit to maximize your return. If you look at RIVN ran from initial entry of 1340s all the way till 1585. If you look at the RIVN calls, we started with the 14 calls, which ran up from like 20 cents all the way to $1.80. It was almost say 700% gains on this option. This would completely change your month. This would completely change your week. You just need to hold. Even if you had $1,000 worth of lottos, by the end of the day, you are making 10 grand. So that's the kind of trade you need to do. The only way you can do this trade, and which I always tell my traders to hold. It's a hit as a catalyst. It's trading over Ripster clouds. You look at the daily chart, the power of the daily chart. There's a gap on the daily chart. It keeps making these flags. It keeps holding the 512 clouds. So I did not tell the traders to get out of it until end of the day. We kept moving our stops. We moved the stops to 14. Then we moved our stops to 15. Then we moved our stops to 1540. And finally, we stopped out. Beautiful 600-700% gainer trader for the community. Insane amount of trade. Traders in the community really did good, and hopefully my followers that I tweeted out the setup also made at least good profits on this trade. This is what you want to do. When you win, you want to win huge. When you lose, you want to lose small. But you need to hold these winners.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.